we're just going to go back and look at compound interest questions again. Okay, so this is the second one I want to have a look at. And first thing we always need to have a look at is to make sure we know whether it's simple or compound interest. In this way, look for the word compound. It has it, so it's going to be compound interest. Next thing we need to have a look at is reading the question, highlighting the important information. Already has the opportunity to invest some money at 9%, so there's our interest rate. Monthly rests, so we know our K. Should she invest? Wants to have 10,000. It's important. We'll talk about that in a moment. In 5 years. It's the same thing. Whenever we start these questions, always write down your formula. Write down the information you know. Now, this is what I was saying before. You've got to be careful with your language. So how much should she invest? Wants to have. So that's talking about the future. So if it's in the future, it's after it's earned all the interest, which means that's the amount. Next thing we're looking at, we have the rate. It's an easy one. We've got 9%. And we've got monthly rest, so K is equal to 12. It's 5 years, so T is equal to 5. And the thing we're missing or don't know is our principal, because she wants to know how much she should invest. So we fill it in as much as we can. Principal is the thing we're looking for, so we just write P, 1 plus R over, which is 9. K is 12 times 100 to the power of 12 times by 5. So we can go and type that into our calculator. So we obviously don't know what P is equal to, so we can't put that in yet. But we can open our brackets and we can type in 1 plus, hit the fraction button, 9 over 12 times 100. Hit the right arrow and close the brackets, and we hit that X little box thing to get to the power of 12 times 5. And we should get 1.5568. Now, this, to be as accurate as possible, we want to try and use the number in the calculator. So you can hit AC, and we're going to have to figure out the principal is 10,000 divided by, because that's the opposite of multiply, 1.56568. Okay? But when we're doing it in our calculator, we can do 10,000 and put in divide by answer instead, so that we get a more accurate answer. And we should get $6,386. Well, in this case, 87, because if I round correctly, whoops, a bit too big of an eraser. Okay, so you should get $6,387.no. Remember, read the question again. So yeah, it's asking you how much you should invest, and you need to write a statement. So, already should invest $6,387. Okay, so this is the one where we're actually working out your principal.